अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स। आई होप यू आर ऑल वेल टुडे। आपको पता है कि आपके घर में इतने अप्लायंसेस हैं जो कि बिजली से चलती हैं। एंड वी ऑल नो अबाउट द वंडर्स ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी दैट वी एक्सपीरियंस इन आवर डेली लाइफ। Electricity is all about making electromagnetic energy flow around a circuit so that it will drive something like an electric motor or a heating element या appliances को power देती है such as electric cars, kettles, toasters and lamps। लेकिन हमारा आज का टॉपिक इलेक्ट्रिसिटी नहीं है, लेकिन इलेक्ट्रिसिटी को कंट्रोल करना है। जी बिल्कुल, हम इलेक्ट्रिसिटी को कंट्रोल भी कर सकते हैं और इस ब्रांच ऑफ फिजिक्स को हम कहते हैं इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स। बट क्या आपको पता है कि इलेक्ट्रिसिटी और इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स में डिफरेंस क्या है? ये एक जैसी चीज़ें नहीं हैं। Generally, electrical appliances need a great deal of energy to make them work, so they use quite large and often dangerous electric currents. The 2500 watt heating element inside an electric kettle operates on a current of about 10 amps. By contrast, electronic components use currents likely to be measured in fractions of milliamps. In other words, a typical electric appliance is likely to be using current tens, hundreds, or thousands of times bigger than a typical electronic one. Electronics is a much more subtle kind of electricity, in which tiny electric currents are carefully directed around much more complex circuits to process signals or store and process information. Electronics is the study of how to control the flow of electrons. It deals with circuits made up of components that control the flow of electricity. हम एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं एक माइक्रोवेव ओवन की। उससे आपको इजीली डिफरेंस समझ आ जाएगा बिटवीन ऑर्डिनरी इलेक्ट्रिसिटी और इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स। एक माइक्रोवेव के अंदर इलेक्ट्रिसिटी जो है वो पावर देती है, that generates high energy waves that cook your food. But electronics control the electrical current that does the cooking. Electronics is an applied form of science that deals with electrons. Students, हमारी दुनिया बहुत तेज़ी से ग्रो करती जा रही है and it is very important for any technological enthusiast to upgrade with latest changes happening in the society. और दूसरा, ये बहुत मुश्किल हो जाता है इतने घंटे आपको इलेक्ट्रॉनिक गैजेट्स के बगैर रह सकें, क्योंकि वो हमारी ज़िंदगी का इतना इम्पोर्टेंट पार्ट बन गए हैं। वी आर लिविंग इन एन इलेक्ट्रॉनिक एरा। इसका मतलब ये है कि हमारे आधे से ज़्यादा काम हमारी मशीन्स कर रही हैं या रोबोट्स कर रहे हैं, और वो ज़्यादा आसानी से और ज़्यादा हाई एफिशिएंटली ये काम कर रहे हैं। Capsules and tablets contain wireless sensors that collect information from the body to diagnose. Transparent smartphones will exist in the coming days. We can see through them, and they may lead to the use of windows or mirrors in our home to be used as PC screens and TV monitors. Sensors are placed on the plants to detect the shortage of water and alert the farmers. Just imagine. ना सिर्फ ये, there are numerous electronic applications that change our daily lives in the nearby future. अच्छा, अब हम कुछ इलेक्ट्रॉनिक डिवाइसेस के बारे में पढ़ते हैं जो कि हम ऑलमोस्ट हर रोज़ यूज़ कर रहे होते हैं। Electronic devices are components for controlling the flow of electrical currents. Some prominent examples are transistors and diodes. Electronic devices are usually small and can be grouped together into packages called integrated circuits. सबसे पहले हमारे पास आता है power supply. The battery produces the voltage and current that drives or powers the electronic components. The electrons flow through wires and are modulated by the arrangements of the electronic components to produce specific results. The voltage is measured in units called volts and the current in units called amperes or amps. फिर हमारे पास आता है resistors. The resistor is a circuit element designed to offer resistance to the flow of electrons called current. In doing so, it produces heat and, in turn, dissipates power. A heating coil is an example of an application of a resistor. Arranged in series, resistors have an additive value. Arranged in parallel, their combined value diminishes. And in practice, we have kilo ohms and mega ohm units. Next, हमारे पास आता है capacitors. Capacitors are circuit elements that represent the opposite of resistors. They store electrical power. And their capacity is measured in farads, and practical subunits of a farad such as microfarad and picofarad. When arranged in parallel, their combined value increases, and when in series, their combined value diminishes. हमारे जो बेसिक इलेक्ट्रॉनिक सर्किट्स होते हैं उनमें हमेशा कैपेसिटर्स इंक्लूड होते हैं. Then we have diodes and transistors. The diode, a circuit element, encourages current to flow in only one direction. It has two terminals, unlike the transistor, which has three. And in the transistor, current can flow in more than one direction. Both diodes and transistors modulate current direction and voltage. फिर हमारे पास आते हैं inductors, transformers, and RLC circuit. The basic electronic circuits often include inductors and transformers as circuit elements. An inductor is a coil of wire that produces a desired magnetic field, unlike a capacitor, which produces a desired electric field. When coupled with a resistor and a capacitor, an inductor contributes to a special tuning circuit called an RLC circuit, which can be tuned to various frequencies such as electric current flows through it. Transformers, another type of circuit element, can step up a voltage or step it down to desired values. ये सब चीज़ें जो भी हमने पढ़ी हैं, they make up what is generally called basic electronics. अब सवाल ये पैदा होता है कि इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स किस चीज़ में यूज़ होते हैं? What are electronics used for? Electronics is so pervasive that it's almost easier to think of things that don't use it than of things that do. हमारे इर्द गिर्द हमारी लाइफ में इतनी चीज़ों में इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स यूज़ होता है कि अगर आपको मैं कहूँ कि आप सोचें और मुझे बताएं कि किन चीज़ों में यूज़ नहीं होता, तो आई थिंक ये बहुत मुश्किल होगा आपके लिए. सबसे पहले हमारे पास आता है सबसे बड़ी फील्ड, which is entertainment. Entertainment was one of the first areas to benefit with radio and later television, both which are critically dependent on the arrival of electronic components. And although the phone was invented before electronics was properly developed, modern telephone systems, cell phone networks, and the computer networks at the heart of the internet all benefit from electronics. Now come to your car. Your car engine probably has electronic circuits in it. And what about the GPS satellite navigation device that tells you where to go? All of these are electronic devices. Even the airbag in your steering wheel is triggered by an electronic circuit that detects when you need some extra protection. Electronics are devices and equipment meant for everyday use. जहाँ अभी आप बैठे हुए हैं, आप बस अपने इर्द गिर्द देखें. There would be so many electronic devices around you. Some common examples are office gadgets such as calculators, personal computers, scanners, printers, projectors, etc. Some home appliances such as washing machine, refrigerator, air conditioner, microwave oven, vacuum cleaner, etc. फिर आप अपने ऑडियो एंड वीडियो सिस्टम्स को देख लें सच एज हेडफोन्स, VCR, DVD player, microphone, loudspeaker, video game consoles. फिर आ जाएं एडवांस कंज्यूमर डिवाइसेस सच एज सेटअप बॉक्स, ATM, डिशवॉशर, स्मार्टफोन्स, बारकोड स्कैनर्स. Some storage devices like portable infotainment, DVDs, jukebox, portable MP3 players. Then we have some electronic equipments which save our lives in other ways. Hospitals are packed with all kinds of electronic gadgets, from heart rate monitors and ultrasound scanners to complex MRI machines. चलें अब हम कुछ मेडिकल डिवाइसेस और इक्विपमेंट में देखते हैं जहां हमारी इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स हमें फ़ायदा पहुंचाती हैं. स्टेथोस्कोप. Stethoscope is made to listen to inner sound happenings inside the human or animal body. Respiration monitors. They are used for knowing the patient's condition due to change in body temperature, pulse, respiration, and blood flow. Defibrillator, which causes electric shock to the heart muscles and brings back the heart to the normal working condition. A glucose meter, which is used for measuring sugar levels in the blood. Pacemaker, which is used for reducing and increasing the count of the heartbeat. कभी किसी ने सोचा था कि इलेक्ट्रॉन्स जो कि probably are the smallest thing you can ever imagine, ये इस्तेमाल होती हैं to change people's lives in so many ways? Isn't it amazing? चलें अब हम इस एपिसोड के कुछ अहम पॉइंट्स पे गौर करते हैं. Number 1. Electronics is the study of how to control the flow of electrons. It deals with circuits made up of components that control the flow of electricity. Number 2. Electronic devices are components for controlling the flow of electrical currents. Some examples are transistors, diodes, capacitors, resistors, transformers, and integrated circuits. Electronic devices are all around us. They can be found in our houses, in our offices, like in our home appliances, in audio and video systems, and in storage devices. अब हम अपना टेस्ट लेंगे और देखेंगे कि हमने आज के एपिसोड से क्या सीखा. Question number 1. What is the total value of the capacitors? A. 11, B. 44, C. 0.044. The correct option is B. 44. Question number 2. The unit of electrical resistance is A. Volt, B. Amp, C. OHM, D. Coulomb. The correct answer is C. OHM. Question number 3. What is this component? A. Resistor, B. Capacitor, C. Transistor, D. Transformer. The correct answer is A. Resistor. Question number 4. What is this? A. Capacitor, B. Resistor, C. Transistor, D. Integrated circuit, IC. The correct answer is A. Capacitor. Question number 5. What are these? A. Transistors, B. Resistors, C. Capacitors, D. Integrated circuits, ICs. The correct answer is option number A. Transistors. Question number 6. What is this? A. Breadboard, B. Electronic board, C. Boat, D. Transformer. The correct answer is A. Breadboard. Students, अगली एपिसोड तक अपना बहुत ख्याल रखिए. अल्लाह हाफिज़.